Hello, this is my oral presentation, English Level 2. First of all, introduce myself. After that, told about my trade experience in Barranquilla, then the weather in Barranquilla, and finish recommendation if you go to Barranquilla. Let's get started. This is me. My name is Adalberto Escobar Sepúlveda. I am single. I work as a receptionist at Hotel Kilimanjaro in Mallorca, Spain. I live in Bogota, Colombia. I am a student in environmental. My favorite food is healthy food Mediterranean. My favorite movie is The Hobbit. My hobbies are use sport and travel. I like animals and landscapes. Now, my travel experience in Barranquilla. This tour goes to Barranquilla. In my last vacation, January 2018, I went to Barranquilla. I was there for 7 days, and we went with my son. I like it because there are many places to visit. For example, we went to the beach, we went to excursion, we sailed and went to the tropical carnival of the city. On the way back, we made a stop in Medellin. We visited the Botero excursion and we soon went to the stadium of soccer of the city. To transport us, we used the survey. The weather was what for my vacation. The weather in Barranquilla. The weather in Barranquilla is normal, warm, and very sun in the summer, leaving you feeling clamor, but the winter comes, it is cloudy and very windy. Follow each step if you are planning to go to Barranquilla. It is recommended that you use sunscreen on the beach. It is very important to be careful with your traveling. It is recommended to confirm your flight before traveling. You need to book your hotel before traveling. It is very necessary to verify if your passport is valid. It is recommended to stay well hydrated. You need to know where you are going to travel. It is necessary to know the weather forecast where you are going to travel. The last, what you should do. People should go to visit the beach in Barranquilla. People there are nice. People should try the delicious gastronomy in Barranquilla. People should dance and celebration in the Carnival of Barranquilla. What you shouldn't do. People should not eat food at the beach. People should not throw garbage in the sea. People should not go to the beach without sunscreen. Thank you very much.